Hi, I'm Melanie Hustle, and here's another video from my Peek Inside Persuasive Presentations series. Today we're going to delve into body language with two snippets. First, an introduction to this subject, and secondly, crucial insights into maintaining the right posture. 60% of our communication is non-verbal. That's what we say with our bodies. Some studies say it's even higher. Wow, that's an incredible statistic. You see, the human brain makes multiple millisecond judgments based on sight and sound the moment you first see and meet someone. The subconscious assesses and reads, say, the posture and appearance to decide if you will warm to them and if you can trust them. So your body language is critical. It also gives you presence and authority, and people perceive you to be a better leader if you have stronger body language. And as a result, you can exert more influence on your audience. So let's start with your posture. Place your feet firmly on the ground, hip width apart, with equal weight on your toes and your heels, so that you are strongly grounded with a solid base. From this foundation, you can take the energy upwards, allowing you to focus when you communicate. With your body strongly grounded, your ideas will automatically have more power. So let's imagine a straight line running from the floor up through your pelvis, your spinal column, and the centre of your head. Shoulders back and chin parallel with the floor. So not up, that's a sign of arrogance, or down. That's a little bit submissive. You don't want your chin to be jutting forward, nor back with the chest out. If you're unsure of the exact position, place your heels against a wall or a door and stand up straight with your buttocks, your shoulders and your head touching. Much like the majority of us, I too suffer from rounded shoulders, so while I'm presenting, I'm frequently telling myself, shoulders back, Melanie, shoulders back. If you're eager to dig deeper into body language and its effect on impactful communication, why not book an informal consultation with me? Have a nice day.